Here is a story from the Mahabharata involving Karna, one of the central characters of the epic. The tale highlights the importance of performing Shraddh rituals and how neglecting them can affect one's journey in the afterlife. Karna and the importance of Shraddh. In the Mahabharata, Karna, the eldest son of Kunti and the sun god Surya, was known for his exceptional valor, generosity, and loyalty. However, due to various circumstances, he was raised by a charioteer and did not know his royal lineage until much later in life. Throughout his life, Karna was famous for his unmatched charity and generosity. He was often referred to as Danveer Karna, a hero who would never refuse anyone who sought his help, especially in the form of donations or gifts. Karna's afterlife, the gold and food dilemma. After Karna's death in the Kurukshetra war, he ascended to the heavens due to his good deeds and virtuous life. However, in the afterlife, Karna faced an unexpected problem. Instead of food, he was given gold and other precious jewels to eat. Confused Karna asked Lord Yama, the god of death, why he was being fed inedible riches. Yama explained that throughout his life, Karna had donated gold, jewels, and valuable possessions to those in need, but he had never offered food or water to his ancestors through the Shraddh rituals. Because he had neglected this important duty, he was now facing the consequences in the afterlife. He could only receive what he had given. Karna's return to earth. Realizing his mistake, Karna pleaded with Yama to grant him an opportunity to rectify his error. Moved by Karna's genuine remorse, Yama allowed him to return to earth for a period of 16 days so he could perform the necessary rituals for his ancestors. During this time, Karna offered tarpan, water, and pinddan rice balls to his forefathers, ensuring that received peace and blessings in the afterlife. Once Karna completed these rites, he returned to heaven, where he was finally offered proper food and achieved peace. His ancestors too were satisfied and blessed him for fulfilling his duty. Moral of the story. The story of Karna highlights the spiritual significance of Shraddh rituals in Hinduism. No matter how generous or virtuous a person may be during their lifetime, if they fail to honor their ancestors, they might face obstacles in their spiritual journey after death. The act of performing Shraddh is seen as a sacred responsibility that transcends even the most selfless acts of charity. Karna's experience serves as a reminder that donating material wealth, though noble, does not replace the spiritual duties one owes to their ancestors. The importance of food offerings, Annadan, and the remembrance of ancestors through Shraddh is deeply embedded in Hindu tradition, ensuring that familial and ancestral ties remain honored even after death. This story is often shared during Pitru Paksh, reinforcing the idea that one should not forget their obligations to the departed as they continue to play a role in the lives of their descendants.